This is Eyewitness News.
Live from Ken's 5, this is Great Day SA.
This is WV2 Morning News at 7. This is Eyewitness News. This is 7 News at 10.
Live from New York, you're watching the WB11 Morning News.
Eyewitness News 5 starts right now.
All right, how many of you out there are sitting around watching Great Day SA with a big cup of coffee? It's the way I start off my day, but how much more of that coffee would you drink if you knew it was healthy for you?
There are several studies that show drinking a cup of coffee could be good for your health. But there's one local company that says their coffee can actually help you lose weight.
Millions of Americans start their day with a cup of coffee, but can it also jumpstart your diet?
Coffee that could actually help you lose weight. Sound too good to be true? We'll filter through the information coming up.
So many people depend on coffee to wake them up, give them an energy boost. Well, now one company is taking it a step further, adding supplements to its brew to help you lose weight.
Still ahead on the morning news, a new way to lose weight. Just pour yourself a cup of fat-burning coffee. We're going to have that story coming up next.
Drinking a cup of coffee and losing weight all at the same time. I know it sounds too good to be true. Well, a new brand of Joe is going to help you burn off the pounds with just 2 cups a day. Is it too good to be true?
I'm health specialist Marilyn Mitchell. If you love coffee and you're trying to lose weight, we've got a diet brew you might want to check out. It gives you extra energy and you'll shed pounds. It's a special assignment report coming up only on 7.
Coffee drinkers, it's your lucky day.
A South Florida company has brewed up an idea called Functional Gourmet Coffee.
Helped him go from this to this, losing 50 pounds in 5 months.
I wasn't able to tuck my shirts in before, so that's definitely new and definitely feel much better.
At 237 pounds, Adam Backler, a 36-year-old father, was desperate to lose weight, and he did.
I lost around, I would say, close to 30 pounds, and I went down 2 pant sizes.
Now, something I think just got lost there. You could lose weight if you're drinking this coffee.
To help her kickstart her day, she recently switched to a new brand of coffee called Java Fit.
It is a revolution in coffee.
And with the coffee craze in high gear, it's a wonder how someone didn't try to make a diet coffee sooner.
I'd be interested in trying it.
Is it something that you would just brew in the morning instead of your typical
Absolutely.
coffee?
In fact, what's the first thing people do in the morning? They get up and they make their coffee.
Or they do it the night before and it's ready when they wake up.
Exactly. So, why not, if you're going to drink coffee, why not you drink coffee with extra benefits to it? And that's really sort of the gist of what Java Fit is.
Well, the coffee excitement right now, everybody onto that kick. So
Absolutely.
It seems like a good time to be starting this business.
Carla Sanchez from Java Fit is here to get us moving with a high-energy workout. Ready? 10 reps.
Are
down,
you kidding?
And up.
Can I do girl push-ups?
3. Keep breathing.
Don't hold your breath. Keep your abs in tight and squeeze. Squeeze. 3. The arms. If it's too challenging, come to your knees. Take it down.
I gave up and went to my knees.
First, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Thank you so much. Up next, the Java in this Java Fit workout.
Good.
Carla's sticking around.
2 more.
And I promise I'll be alive.